Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle and this ponytail. Yeah, so I got this hair from AliExpress and I've been wishing to get hair. I've been wishing to get this new kinky hair that looks like our own natural hair lately. So I've been looking for where to get them. I was looking on Amazon. Maybe I can get one, but I've seen different reviews, so that really put me off. So I didn't decide to go for it. And later on, my mind was like, try AliExpress. Maybe you can get one that is better. And I've seen so many comments and review about this particular one, and I decided to go for it. And they delivered it yesterday. It only take like a week for them to deliver it, and I was really surprised because I thought it's gonna take ages before they deliver it due to the situation on ground. So guys, actually my plan before is I wanted to do a full head clipping and leave it like a full head hairstyle. That was my plan, but when I received this hair, it was not enough inside the pack. I thought one pack would be enough for me, but it wasn't enough. So to get a full head of this hair extension, you need to have like a 3-pack, if I'm not mistaken, like a 3-pack or 2-pack and a half, like that. But because I only got one, I only buy one, I thought it's going to be enough. So I didn't have any option than me using it as a ponytail. So this is the result of the hair that I've achieved. Okay guys, if you like to see how I achieved that, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm back now, and it's been, let's say, an hour or an hour and a half now. I had this scarf and I went there. I had my face glam So if you like to see how I did this face, if it pop here or it pops there, on which section you do pop, I had a card on this look so you can see how I created this look. So I will be going and clipping this hair on my hair. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be taking this off now. Ooh, wow. So I think I need to blend this one after when I finish. Use powder to blend everything on. So what I will be doing, I don't really know what I want to do with this hair button. I think I will be clipping in, open it this way. Let me just, so I'll be clipping them in. And guys, in the pack of the hair came into 6 pieces, 2 long, 2 medium and 2 small. So I'm actually using the 2 long one first, and I had the 2 medium and I use only 1 small. I didn't finish the whole pack of the hair, but I got only 1 remaining from the pack. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please thumbs up, like, comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell when you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Well, good to go like this if you want to go out with 1 pack of hair. Is it good? Okay guys, one section is showing here, but who cares? Alright everyone, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on my next video. Stay blessed.